Civil aviation industry in the last couple of years suffered its worst periods, but the next 2 decades are promising to be something which the industry is looking forward to. With the traffic expected to increase 3 times minimum, this is the sector which will now look forward to a lot of growth. No, Airbus and Boeing both signed such big deals at this air show to be able to ensure that their order books are full.